Today I used two new phones. One is the Oppo Find X8 Pro and the other is the Vivo X300 Pro 5G. I want to compare them in many areas. Later I will talk about their design, display, performance, cameras and battery. I will not go into too much detail now. If you want to buy one, you can find links in the description. There you will also see the latest prices. Both phones are very good and have many features. I will help you decide which one is better for your needs. Keep listening to learn more about these phones. I will tell you what makes each one special. This way you can make a good choice. Stay with me as I compare all the important parts of these phones. My goal is to give you a clear picture. Before we start, remember that Amazon links are in the description for easy shopping and the latest prices. The Oppo Find X8 Pro has a body that measures approximately 164 mm in height, 76.5 mm in width, and 9.1 mm in thickness. It weighs about 220 grams. The phone is made with a glass front and back and an aluminum frame. It feels smooth and solid in the hand. The Vivo X300 Pro 5G is slightly shorter and thinner, at about 162 mm tall, 75.5 mm wide, and 8 mm thick. It weighs around 226 grams. Its glass front and back with an aluminum frame give it a premium look. Both phones are comfortable to hold, but the Oppo feels a bit more balanced because of its size and weight. The materials used in both phones are high quality, making them feel sturdy and luxurious. The Oppo Find X8 Pro has a 6.78-inch AMOLED display. It offers a smooth 120Hz refresh rate. The display supports Dolby Vision and HDR10+. The peak brightness can reach about 4,500 nits, making it bright and clear in sunlight. The Vivo X300 Pro 5G has a 6.78-inch LTPO AMOLED screen. It also has a 120Hz refresh rate and supports HDR10+ and Dolby Vision. Its resolution is 2800 by 1260 pixels. The brightness is very high and the display looks sharp and vibrant. Both screens are excellent for watching videos and gaming. They are bright, colorful, and smooth. The main difference is the type of AMOLED used and the slight variation in resolution, which affects clarity. The Oppo Find X8 Pro runs on the MediaTek Dimensity 9400. It has an octa-core processor and Mali GPU. The phone uses Android 15 with ColorOS 15. The Vivo X300 Pro 5G has a MediaTek Dimensity 9500 processor. It also has an octa-core CPU and Mali GPU. It runs on Android 16. Both phones offer fast performance and smooth multitasking. They are good for gaming, streaming, and daily tasks. The main difference is in the chipset, with the Vivo having a slightly newer processor. Both devices handle most tasks easily. Their software is optimized for speed and efficiency. You will not notice lag or slowdowns with either phone. They are powerful devices built for today's demanding apps and games. The Oppo Find X8 Pro offers options with up to 512 GB of UFS 4.0 storage. It also has 12 or 16 GB of RAM. The Vivo X300 Pro 5G has storage options up to 1 TB of UFS 4.1. It also comes with 12 or 16 GB of RAM. Both phones do not have a card slot for extra storage. They provide fast data transfer and plenty of space for apps, photos, and videos. The choice depends on how much storage you need. The Vivo model with 1 TB offers the most space. Both phones have excellent RAM options for smooth multitasking. Overall, they are very capable in handling large files and multiple apps without issues. The Oppo Find X8 Pro has a main camera system with 4 lenses. The primary lens is 50 megapixels wide with optical image stabilization. It also has a 50 megapixels ultra-wide lens, a 50 megapixels telephoto lens with 3x zoom, and a 50 megapixels telephoto lens with 6x zoom. It can record 4K videos. The Vivo X300 Pro 5G has a triple main camera. It includes a 50 megapixels wide lens with optical image stabilization, a 200 megapixels telephoto lens with about 3.7x zoom and optical image stabilization, and a 50 megapixels ultra-wide lens. It can shoot in 8K at 30 frames per second and 4K at 60 or 120 frames per second. Both phones have high-quality cameras for photos and videos, but the Vivo offers a higher zoom capacity. The Oppo Find X8 Pro has a front camera with 32 megapixels. It supports HDR and takes clear selfies. The Vivo X300 Pro 5G has a higher resolution front camera with 50 megapixels. It can record 4K videos at 60 frames per second. Both selfie cameras are very good for selfies and video calls. The Vivo camera provides more detail and better video quality. The Oppo's front camera is still sharp and perfect for daily use. They are both easy to use and produce natural skin tones. The choice depends on whether you want a higher megapixel count or advanced video features for selfies. The Oppo Find X8 Pro has a large battery capacity of about 5,910 mAh. It supports 80-watt wired charging and 50-watt wireless charging. The Vivo X300 Pro 5G has a slightly bigger battery of 6,510 mAh. It charges with 90-watt wired and 40-watt wireless charging. The Oppo can last a full day with normal use, and the Vivo also has long battery life. The faster charging on both phones helps you get power quickly. The Vivo's larger battery provides more standby time and usage hours. Overall, both phones have strong batteries with fast charging features to keep you going all day. Both the Oppo Find X8 Pro and the Vivo X300 Pro 5G are excellent phones. The Oppo offers a balanced design, strong performance, and good cameras. Its battery life and display are also impressive. The Vivo is slightly smaller and lighter, with a bigger battery and a better zoom camera system. It has a newer processor and more advanced video recording options. Depending on what you need, either phone can be a good choice. If you want a balanced device with a great display and solid camera, the Oppo is ideal. If you prefer a phone with a bigger battery and better zoom, the Vivo is better. You can find links in the description to check the latest prices. Choose the phone that best fits your personal needs and style.